Hello everyone, Pooja Ori from Samvad again with a very, very interesting and very different interview this time. I have one of our very young Hamletians who's been here with us for the last 7 years. And I've seen her grow from a very small little girl to this young lady who's, ready to take on the world. And she's been doing some great work in that line. Let's say hello to Soumya. Hi, Soumya.
Hi, Auntie. Thank you so much for inviting me here.
Soumya Sharma is a resident of Tower 14. She's been there in 1423-1 since the last 7 years. And I'm going to take you through quickly this short, very interesting life of 20 years, which is going to go great guns now. So Soumya, where were you born?
I was born in Haridwar, which is in Uttarakhand.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Really close to the hills.
Yes. Okay. And so when did you move to Noida?
I think since the very beginning.
Okay.
Probably right after I was born there, we came back here in Noida while my father was working here. So.
Okay. Tell us about your parents.
So my father is in the field of infrastructure and he's working abroad. And I live with my mother and my sister here. And she's a homemaker. My sister is quite young. She's in class 4th.
Yeah.
And it's just a pleasure to, spend time with her all day.
Oh, yes. She's a very interesting
gem in my life.
Very, very interesting young lady and very friendly. Very friendly. We've had her over a couple of times. And
very social. She's so very bubbly, like all day. I'm just spending time with her.
That's awesome. That is just awesome. That is awesome. Are you also a fitness enthusiast like mom? I know mom is.
Yes, I am. I absolutely love working out, but it's just that sometimes it keeps on changing. So for a while I'm playing badminton and then tennis. So currently I'm trying to do gym since past 3-4 months and I'm absolutely enjoying it in the society.
Yeah. All right. So Soumya, how are you as a small child? What does mom say you used to do or you were fond of, or what did you say, for example, when you were 4, if I asked you, Soumya beta aap bade hoke kya banoge? So then फिर आपका क्या जवाब होता था?
Okay, very interesting question, but it keeps on changing, honestly. So I remember for once I wanted to go out and maybe I could say that I wanted to be an astronaut when I was very, very young. But then one thing was very constant, that was art. I was really close to art. And by art, I could say literature, music, dance, painting, expressive arts mostly. So since my childhood, I've always seen myself as an artist, and through art I like to express myself. So I think art has to be the answer for that. I always saw myself as an artist.
Okay. Where did you do your schooling?
I was in APJ school, Noida, sector 16.
Okay. And uske baad, a very, very prestigious admission in DU, yes, that we all heard of. And we would stop mom on the walk, which nobody dares to stop mom on the walk because her walk is so brisk. And, congratulate her because it was just fantastic news. Please tell us about that.
Yeah, honestly, I did not expect myself to get into LSR. It is a dream college for every girl in the country.
Yeah.
And I was not very much into academics. As I said, that I was really into extra co-curricular activities. But since I had that dream, I had that aim to get into LSR and into psychology, a course like psychology, which is so much in demand.
Yeah.
And clearing the cutoff was such a heavy task.
Yeah.
So I had to restrict myself on all the extra co-curricular activities. For 2 years, I remember, I left everything. I stopped singing, I stopped dancing, extra co-curricular activities, going to inter-school competitions, and then totally focusing on college admissions. And that's how I think I was able to manage and got through LSR. And yeah, it's amazing. One of the best
really
colleges
to know, for younger children. Yeah, I mean, probably my age or my children's age or your sister's age is the same.
Yeah.
To know that one can actually, a child who's totally into co-curriculars would finally, if you set your heart on it, you will definitely achieve the DU dream. ये तो हम कर ही
exactly.
सकते हैं. हाँ. So
and it's just about a break for a year or two, and then you can always go back to it. And DU, once you get into DU, you'll always get a chance to again pursue all those things. So now again, I'm back to all of it.
That's really
Back
good.
on
That's
track.
really good. Yeah, you know,
Yeah.
one reads and hears about the different societies in the colleges, and you know, drama society hai, debating hai, ye hai, wo. तो आप उसमें क्या कर पाते हैं? Because you must have done quite a bit of it online only right now.
I would say yes, but 1 year I managed to enjoy in college, and I'm a part of 3 societies in college. So one is the Indian Music Society. It's called Dhwani, and we have performed twice, thrice during the first year, and then it got online. And then I'm a part of Dhyana. It's the Society for Consciousness and Awareness. I am the content writer over there.
Oh, wow.
And another society is Prakriti. It's the Environment Society, and I'm the ideation team core member.
Okay.
So I'm working with these 3 for now. And also in my department, I'm in the research club. So we're performing research and everything with the college. So for now, these 4 things I'm occupied with.
All right. Okay. Yeah. But and are you going to physically to college now?
Not right now. Not at the moment. Because we have exams now in December, and hoping might get to see college for my last semester. Because this year I'm graduating now. So next semester would begin in January. Okay. So let's hope maybe after January I get to see college for one last time.
Yeah. And what do you plan to do after your graduation?
I'm hoping to get into masters, but also I'm considering other options such as giving some government exams, maybe after graduation gets over and I cross the minimum age limit. But for sure, I would definitely plan to get into masters, most probably abroad. I'm really looking forward to study abroad.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I'm considering some government exams like UPSC.
Oh, wow. That's really good. That's really, really good. So tell me, in your these societies that you've been working in the college, I believe you've been, extremely active and also achieved a lot. So tell us a little bit about that. That's what we heard of, that's what Soumya has really done in college. And, we were talking in Hamlet about it. And then I thought that, okay, I'm going to talk to Soumya in Samvad and let all the residents know that this young girl is really, set her mind on achieving so much. So tell me all this that you've been achieving now and doing. Tell me.
Right. So I think I would say that it's not particularly in regard with my college that I have been able to achieve, but certain things beyond college, which were not so much academically related or connected with college. Like I've done a few internships in both private sector and government sector. So recently I happened to work with Noida Authority, which directly comes under UP government only. And we're working on this mission called Swachh Bharat Mission, everybody is aware of.
Wow.
And our main aim was to bring out Noida as a very clean and a green city and to actually implement things on ground level. So I was working very, very closely with Ritu Maheshwari Madam. She's the CEO of Noida, as you all know. And there were different facets under this mission. Like we had to go out and work under public health department, under horticulture department, cleanliness department, sanitation, sewage. So all these things we had to understand first, because we were so naive to understand all these things. That's we're like graduates already right now at this moment. So we were explained all these things. We had webinars and we had people who taught us exactly how these things work. So I had never been to a sewage treatment plant. We don't know where the sewage goes from our house. So first, what I did as a very, very curious person, I went to my society's sewage plant, which is under Tower 5, I think. So we went there, I studied there, I clicked pictures, I tried to Google everything at home. And then we made a whole research project. So under this internship, we were assessed on our research project. And I would say that I was able to put forth a good result out of it. I was able to perform the research well, for which I was recently awarded as well the certificate from Ritu Maheshwari Madam. Wow. And I think that was an amazing opportunity for me to work for our city.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Very well done. And I won't say congratulations because it's a lot of hard work. So I'll say very well done. And we hope that you will continue doing such things. We are now in a state where we feel so positive. We hear everything about the environment, we read about it. But when we see youngsters like you coming forth willing to make that extra effort, take all that, take the initiative and, try to achieve something out of it, we feel very positive कि मतलब कहीं से तो सुधार आ ही जाएगा, कुछ तो बच्चे अचीव कर लेंगे, उससे हमें बड़ी पॉजिटिविटी मिलती है. And this is what I heard about when Dad sent me the information. And I felt that, Soumya and her team are doing a lot of good work and we must know about it. And why not? हम क्यों नहीं करेंगे? ATS1 Hamlet में भी definitely करेंगे.
Even kids in our society are very active.
Yes, yes, yes.
And children of our age have so much energy in all terms, like mental energy and so much motivation to do something.
Yeah.
So why not channel it in a better way?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And I think the way you have been always a very communicative person and also very creative, and now that you are studying psychology, I think all this combines to give us such a nice mix where you are ready to put your brains together and move forward into getting an achievement which is very, very necessary. Every small drop counts, definitely. Why not? क्यों नहीं, जरूर होता है. एक छोटी सी जगह से हम शुरू करते हैं, वो आगे ही स्प्रेड करती है एंड बहुत अच्छा ही निकलता है उसमें से सब कुछ, डेफिनेटली. एंड
another thing I would like to add here is the intention.
Yes,
the pure intention to work for this
intention होनी चाहिए, definitely.
And that too in the correct direction. That makes a huge difference, not just a small difference. Even if you're doing something really small, just as picking up litter and putting it in the dustbin, but with the right intention, pure intention, it just makes a lot of difference.
Yeah. And it's a very, very positive vibe that we get from all of you when we hear and see, and you're right there in front of us. It makes us feel really, really good about it. Thank you so much, Soumya, for taking out time for Samvad and telling us about yourself. Of course, we wanted to know. And of course, we wanted to know about all that you're doing in the field of environment and this garbage disposal. And very, very proud of you for having achieved accolades from the Noida Authority. That's really an awesome thing. Very well done from all of us. And I hope you definitely do your masters and you clear the UPSCs, and because we need people like you, and you definitely can make a difference. So best of luck from all of us.
It was a pleasure.
And thank you so much, Beta, for taking time. Bye-bye.
No worries. Bye, Auntie.